Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we'll be getting introduced to the new JShell which was introduced as part of JDK 9. We had something called Bean Shell before, which is actually a third-party tool and it is not a standard part of JDK, and it obviously had some features missing, but it's also a very good alternative. But with JDK 9, JShell will be officially the shell for Java programming language. So in this video, the objective is to getting introduced to various features of JShell. So for launching the JShell, you just need to install the JDK. Any JDK version above 9 would be sufficient. Just type JShell and it should actually launch the JShell, and it takes a while. And you can see I'm using JDK version 15. I have used Amazon JDK, so you can use any JDK version that is 9 or above in order to access the JShell feature. So you can exit, and also you can start the JShell with additional arguments like class path, and also you can provide the path to the jar file, so that can be used within the JShell. Also you can use this to import modules, so you can use add modules and then you can give the module name here. And also we have something called feedback, which is verbose, so that which will give you more information about the things that we are doing within the shell. And I'll be enabling verbose for the time being so that I can show you some scratch variable things like that. Okay, so also we have something called startup, which actually has three different values. Either it takes printing, or it can also take the value java sc, which will import all the default packages that is included in Java Standard Edition by default, so we don't have to do any explicit imports. And also you can just leave it to default or just don't specify anything. That will actually the plain old one, the default one. We will have to import things by ourselves. Okay, so I'll just start with feedback verbose. So let's start with some simple expressions like 1 plus 1. You can see that this is creating a variable $1 and its value is 2, and also it is saying a message created scratch variable $1. So now we can actually use this system.println, and you can give $1, which will actually give you the value 2. That is, whenever you are doing some kind of a simple expression, it is actually creating a scratch variable and puts the value inside there. So you can also use int I is equal to 10. Okay, so it actually created a variable 10, and okay, now you can actually use I to print out the value 10. Also you can redefine the type of the variable without any issues, so you can change it to long I, but only thing is that it gets replaced with its default value, that is the long's default value is 0. If you now print out, it will give you 0. Okay, I'll just clear by pressing Ctrl L. It will actually clear the shell, and it is not necessary to use semicolon. Like you could use a string like hey guys, and then just put and use substring method, and then you can say that you need to print from index so and so to so and so, and press enter. You can actually see it actually printed the substring, and it is assigned to by default a variable that is a scratch variable called $7, and now you can use the print function to print that substring. And now also you can use the access specifiers like private or public int I, so I can give j equals 10, but actually it doesn't make any difference because the scope is the same. If you make it private, public or protected, it doesn't have any impact. And if you use the keywords like final, I'm making a variable x is equal to 10. Actually this final keyword is not taken effect. Actually you can substitute the variable with a different value. It just ignores this final keyword, as well as it's same for the static keyword. Give the modifier as static, but it doesn't care about the static. As you can see that even though it's a final variable, we were able to reassign with a different value, and now you can just print it out and see for yourself its value is 11. That means it's not final. Also now you can define your own functions like void add numbers, and you can say int I comma int b, whichever variable, and you can just print system So you can see it created a function. Now you can actually use it with 10,12 and it will give you the variable output. And you don't have to use static keyword to declare top level functions. You don't have to do anything. Also, you can directly use fully qualified class names, like so it actually gives you the output and it is given into the variable 15, and you can see which all things has been imported just by using slash imports. So which will actually list you all the things that it imported, and also you can list all the things that you have so far typed by using slash list, and you can use this number to list out a particular thing, like slash list 13. It should actually give you the function alone. You can see this is the number associated with the function. You can give slash list slash 13, sorry, slash list 13, and you will get the output. Also, you can use slash vars to list all the variables that you have declared so far, and also use slash methods to list all the methods that you have declared so far. And now also you can make it autocomplete or suggest the commands for you. For example, if you want to know the commands that is starting with E, just put slash E and press enter. It will say that the E is ambiguous. You might have meant to use the following. Also, you can use slash help to get the that will actually help you with all the commands that is built into the JShell. Like I said, slash import, slash var, slash open, slash save. And also you can save everything that you did so far, like slash vars, or if you do slash list, you can save everything into a Java file just by typing save test.java. And okay, I missed slash save test.java, and then you can just exit the shell and cat test.java. You can see that everything that we did there, actually it's same as the output for the list command, has been saved into a file. Also in the JShell you can create classes as usual. So I'll just do Control L to clear, just define class my class, and you can give private int a, I'll give public int b, and also I can use a constructor, create a constructor, so which will actually take int a comma int b, and then I can open the brace and I can say this dot a is equal to a and this dot b is equal to b, and then I can close the constructor, and then I can close my class as well. So after defining a class, you can just list it out by using slash types, and it should give you my class. And now you can use it by the normal way, like you do it equals var is equal, and I can give it a var and also a b var. And now I can access my b var dot b, which is actually returning an integer, so you can see its value is 4, and I can do the same for a var dot b. I will get this, but I won't be able to access the, if I do list slash list, and you can see slash list space 1, you can see this is my definition, and I won't be able to access the a because it was a private member. That's pretty much it is. So you hope you guys got an idea about how to use JShell and what are the different things available within the JShell. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.